Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to your English coursebook classes. Today, I will explain you the summary of Lesson 1 with the help of video clips. Tom has a toothache is a story. In this story, we will see four characters in the play. The main character is Tom Sawyer. Second, his brother Sid. Third, Auntie Polly. Fourth, house servant. Now, listen the summary carefully because I will not going to explain the each paragraph or each page. So, you have to listen the whole summary carefully so that you can able to understand this chapter. Okay? Tom had a toothache. Meet Tom Sawyers. He is a mischievous young boy, lives with his Aunt Polly and brother Sid. It is a Monday morning and Tom does not want to go to school. He just wants excuses to convince Aunt Polly. He got up, looked over himself for some pain, but find none. Suddenly he felt something. Was that stomach ache? No, nothing. Boss, his front tooth was loose. No Aunt Polly would pull it out. That would pain. Tom discovered a short foot. What an excuse he is to croon loudly, but Sid just slept louder, no movement. Finally, he got up and shook Sid awake. Then he returned to bed and started crowning again. Sid ran to Tom. Tom, Tom, what it is? Why are you crowning so loudly? Ouch! Don't it hurt? Sid said. Why did you not wake me up earlier? Let me go and let Aunt. Hey Sid, I forgive you everything you have done for me. Oh, Sid got to get Aunt Polly. Aunt Polly, Tom is crying, says Sid. What rubbish! Come, let me see. That was Aunt, and off they went to Tom. Aunt looked worried at Tom's expression. Tom, what is the matter with you? Tom crowned louder and said, why should tooth mortified? And bursted into laughter and try and refill. Oh, at the same time, my friend mortify means shrivel due to embarrassment. Tom must have heard the word from an ill person and soon dated to some illness. Aunt Polly, it is a mortified. I can't feel my hurting tooth in front of that pain. Toothache, show it to me. Yes, this is going to come off. And send a maid to get a string and coal to put out the tooth. Tom begs her not to, confesses that he did not want to go to school, so he made up the sickness. Aunt Polly promised not to pull out the tooth and asked him to sleep. School or no school would be decided. Will we wake up? Tom had no option but to sleep.